Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Zakir Ali and I'm about to present the uh, literature review that have been undertaken. The topic for today is welding repair of high manganese steel components in mining industry. To begin with, I've just outline of the contents that I have included in this presentation are the introduction, definition, theories, key concepts, gaps, and finally the conclusion. To start with the introduction, basically, I go with welding. Welding is a manufacturing method of joining metals, often metals or thermoplastics, by fusing them together using high energy to dissolve the individual components. To ensure proper weld deposition and ability, point welding, which involves joining vertically or above connections, may require the application of the given process approach. There are a variety of methods of welding, such as laser welding, electrobeam welding, ultrasonic welding, etc. The process of welding metals does not include melting the materials. Instead, melting the metals, instead the pressure applied horizontal machine motions are used to form the weld. Next, we'll move to definition. The welding repair of high manganese steel components used in the mining sector. It seeks to enhance the knowledge on how to efficiently repair and maintain high manganese steel components in mining industry and equipment by looking at difficulties, approaches, and developments in welding repair procedures. This study also emphasizes the significance of pre-weld and post-weld undergoing heat processing, the effect of welding on mechanical characteristics, and the requirement for stringent assessment and testing to assure the effectiveness of the restorations. Theories. Cold deformation, also known as cold working or cold rolling. It can induce grain refinement in the coated material and causes dislocations in the crystal structure, leading to the formation of smaller grains. This effect should be considered when evaluating the impact of cold working on abrasive resistance. Due to its exceptional durability, it can endure significant impacts without breaking. It is used to make wear-resistant components for mining equipment, including crusher jaws, cone crusher, liners, and excavator bucket teeth in the mining and construction sectors. About the key concepts that I have been gone through this literature review are the structural integrity, metal fabrication, safety precautions, welding techniques. To start with, the structural integrity provides structural integrity. What does it mean? The procedures that ensures the strength and durability of components such as mining machinery, conveyor systems, pipelines, and support structures. For the metal fabrication includes skilled welders are responsible for joining metal components, constructing and repairing equipment, and fabricating customized parts to meet the specific requirements of mining operations. Then the safety welding techniques. Welding techniques, a variety of welding techniques can be utilized to enhance the mechanical properties of the mining components. The various welding techniques such as sheet metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, flux core arc welding, and submerged arc welding are being employed in the mining industry. Next, the safety precautions. The safety precautions are very important and should be considered. Welding and mining requires strict adherence to safety protocols. Precautions such as wearing personal protective equipment (PPE), implementing proper ventilation systems, and employing fire prevention measures are essential to minimize risk and ensure the well-being of personnel. Coming to the gaps, mining operations often take place in harsh and demanding environments, such as underground mines, open pit mines, or remote locations. Welding and mining requires strict adherence to safety protocols due to the high risk of accidents and injuries. Mining equipment and infrastructure often consist of various metals, including different grades of steel, aluminum, and specialty alloys. Welded components in mining need to withstand heavy loads and vibrations and other stresses. In the conclusion, due to its remarkable toughness, shear resistance, and capacity to withstand significant impact, high manganese steel, high manganese steel is frequently used in mining equipment. To achieve the required hardness, toughness, and resistance to wear and corrosion, carefully chosen welding methods and filler materials must be used. Cracking and distortion may be avoided with proper preheating, post-weld heat treatment, and welding parameter management. The functionality and service life of high manganese steel components may be raised, as well as the security and effectiveness of mining operations by adhering to these principles. These needs to be considered while operating at the mining industry. Thank you all for watching this.